Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on a school Chromebook. Many school devices have restrictions, but there are a few clever ways to get your favorite game running. We'll cover two main approaches: utilizing the built-in Google Play Store if available, and exploring powerful cloud gaming services. Each method has its own steps and considerations, ensuring you can enjoy Clash Royale during your free time. The first method involves the Google Play Store. Head to your Chromebook settings and look for the Apps section. If you see an option to turn on the Google Play Store, enable it. Once activated, you can open the Play Store app, search for Clash Royale, and install it just like on any Android device. Remember, some school administrators might have this feature disabled, so it is not always an option. If the Google Play Store is blocked, cloud gaming offers an excellent alternative. Services like GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming stream the game directly to your browser, meaning no local installation is required. You simply access their website, log in, and play Clash Royale through their platform. This method completely bypasses school restrictions on app downloads, making it a versatile solution for many students. Before you start playing, remember a few important points. Always be mindful of your school's internet usage policies. Playing during class is never a good idea. Your game performance will heavily depend on the school's Wi-Fi speed and stability. Also, some cloud gaming services or even the Play Store might be blocked, so a virtual private network or VPN could be necessary to access them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.